Hi, it's JD Cap here, 26, District Tipsy Peasant Hobby. And we're going to show you with this image right here what we're going to do with it. We're going to open Bambu Lab. This is a sideways fix, and I highly recommend it. So we got it open. Let's go to prepare, and we're going to drag the image in. Okay, there it is. We don't like it in black, so because we can't see it very well, so let's put it in gray. Okay, let's bring this up. See this right here? This is how to rotate it. So click on that once, and they're going to go in here and try to get the wheel to open up. Let's see, let's open up this screen a little bit more. See if we can get the wheel to open up. Gotta turn it this way. Let's turn it this way. Okay, so you got to get it like this. And that's that way, okay? But we don't want it to go that way. We want it to go this way. Use this wheel. This is the sideway fix. Like that. Put it on its side. Okay, it's going to be floating now. You got to understand that. Let's go here to the move thing. Okay, it's on its side. And now we're going to apply supports to it. So let's go over to the supports. We're going to check there. We're going to put tree supports in. And I usually use slim. Okay. And it's on its side. And we'll keep the size like that. Okay. And we'll slice it. Okay, now it's sliced. You see what I'm getting at here? The supports are only on one side. They're not all up here. So all you have to do is remove this stuff. If you have fragile parts up here, they'll still probably print, but they'll be connected with a tree support, a thin one, but you have it on one side. Also, another great tip is, say you don't have enough room this way, okay, to make it larger, your scale, put it this way diagonally, okay, and you'll have a better, you have more room on the the board there, okay, to make it a little bit bigger, okay, and stay within your parameters, because if you go over your parameters, it's going to show you error for sure. So that's what I want to show you today. I hope you have a great day. Thank you for watching. Please rate, subscribe, and give a thumbs up. Bye for now.